At Filtronic, we push technology's limits with cutting-edge, high-frequency RF. Our high-performance RF enables 5G, satellite, radar, and quantum computers, impacting your life in ways you won't even realize, helping shape the future invisibly. Using the invisible electromagnetic spectrum to sense, protect, and communicate is critical for the defense of our country. Using the power of modern RF design and manufacturing capabilities, Filtronic's adaptive filters help deliver reliable, secure voice and data to keep combat forces coordinated. Our technologies enable clearer sensing, communication, and ultimately defense. At Filtronic, we don't build tanks or drones. We advance modern defense communications to protect us all, every day.